Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to build a gaming PC for beginners. You might be wondering why you should build your own PC instead of just buying a pre-built one. Well, there are several reasons for it. Firstly, building your own gaming PC allows you to customize it according to your preferences, needs, and budget. Secondly, you can save a significant amount of money by building your own gaming PC since pre-built ones often come with a markup for labor and overhead expenses. Finally, building a gaming PC is a fun and rewarding experience, even for beginners. Before we dive into the actual process of building a gaming PC, let's discuss the essential components that make up a gaming PC. The components you'll need are CPU, GPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, power supply, cooling system, and a case. It's important to choose high-quality components that are compatible with each other. Now that you know the essential components needed for a gaming PC, here's how to choose the right ones. Look for a CPU that has enough cores and clock speed for the type of games you want to play. Your GPU should have enough RAM and clock speed to handle the graphics in your games. When choosing a motherboard, ensure it's compatible with your CPU and GPU, and has enough expansion slots for future upgrades. RAM needs will depend on your processor. Ensure your chosen RAM is compatible with your motherboard. Storage requirements vary, so decide if you want a solid-state drive SSD or hard disk drive HDD, or both. A power supply unit PSU should be chosen based on the wattage required by all components. Ensure the cooling system works for your case to keep components cool. With all components in hand, it's time to build your gaming PC. First, install the PSU and then the motherboard with the CPU, RAM and cooler. Next, install the graphics card, storage SSD/HDD and other components. Connect cables from the power supply to the motherboard and components as needed. Once all components are installed in the case, it's time to power on the PC and make sure everything runs properly. Once you have confirmed that everything is working correctly, it's time to install the operating system OS and drivers. You can purchase an OS from Microsoft or a local software store. Follow the instructions to install the OS, enter your key, and finish the installation. After installing the OS, install drivers for your components to ensure they are communicating with the OS properly. At times, components may not work correctly, or the PC may fail to boot after assembly. Some troubleshooting tips include checking that components are compatible and installed correctly, trying each component one at a time, double-checking connections, replacing faulty component, and consulting user manuals or forums online for additional help. Congratulations, you have successfully built your own gaming PC. By building it yourself, you have saved money, customized it to your needs, and had a fun experience. Keep in mind that building a gaming PC is a continuous process and you can upgrade components in the future for better performance. Always do research before upgrading, and don't hesitate to consult with experts or the internet. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful.